Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, and if you guys have a problem where you need to find the fuse for your OBD port, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. And what's important, you always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the OBD port fuse, guys, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car. Today will work in just one, and it is on the driver's side. Go ahead, guys, open the driver door here, and once you open it, you will see under the dash, look above the pedals, upside down on the left side, you will see one white cover. Open that cover and you'll see a fuse box layout underneath that looks just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. OBD port fuse. First, never assume anything about fuse numbers, and you wonder why, guys. Due to the fact that this is fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is fuse number 38 instead of being fuse number 5. Then it goes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's fuse number 13, 39 right here. And after that you have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Fuse number 19, that 10 amp fuse, that's the one for the OBD port that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.